Catabolic versus anabolic. Ang pag-build and repair ng muscle at pag-gain ng muscle mass, yan ang tinatawag na anabolic state. You are making progress, you are making gains. Ang catabolism is the breakdown of muscle tissue. Sobrang intense exercise. Tapos hindi ka nakaka-recover, overtraining ka na, malnutrition, yan ang catabolic, or sobrang stress mentally, physically, emotionally. Nangangayayat ka, naglulose ka ng weight, not in a healthy way, in a very unhealthy way. Yan ang catabolic state. Nangyayari dyan yung naglulose ng muscle mass, pag may HIV, AIDS, may cancer, may sakit tayo, hindi tayo makakain, nanghihina tayo, poor digestion, indigestion, malabsorption, yan ang catabolism. Anabolism is gaining muscle mass, gaining healthy weight for a healthy body. Sana nakatulong sa inyo ha. Sana lagi tayong anabolic and making gains. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you.